Hello loves! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to give my thoughts about the new moisturizer from Ellana, which is the Ellana Stay Fresh Moisturizer. If you wanted to find out more about the Ellana skincare line, please keep on watching. So Ellana sent this package in the mail for about going on 2 weeks now. So it's been quite a while since I'm actually trying out their products. So first, I'm gonna show you what's inside of this cute pouch. They have given me, actually I already opened this one prior. So this one is the Ellana Stay Fresh Powder Face Cleanser. And this one is kind of interesting because, look mga loves, it's actually powder talaga siya. A very, very fine powder, which says that you have to put few drops of water to have it activated. And you just, lather on your face. So, for now, since there is another cleanser here on the package, I will use that one instead kasi I think I am wearing a waterproof mascara, so I think it would be better if I use an oil cleanser. I'm actually gonna rest now and remove my makeup as well, so I'm gonna be using this Ellana products. This one is actually part of the PR package. It's the Blur Makeup Primer, so I'm gonna use it some other time if I'm going to show you another makeup tutorial. So I will be able to use this. And then, this is what I'm talking about, guys. So this is the one that I'm going to use to remove my makeup today. So this is the Stay Fresh line. This is the Stay Fresh Rinse Off Oil Cleanser. And then next, of course, they have also the Stay Fresh Toner Essence. So this one naman is, ayan. So this is best to put in after cleaning your face. So hindi lang siya toner. It's actually an essence as well. So parang may toner ka na, may serum ka na. Ganun yung dating. And then, of course, next would be the moisturizer. Ayan, this one, I've been trying this out for quite some time now. And this is the focus of my review today. And then the last is the Stay Fresh Multi-Mist. So this one, 2-in-1 ata yung pinaka-purpose ng mist nila na to. So either you put in before putting on your makeup or you put in after your moisturizer for a refresh feeling. Ayan, since their line is called Stay Fresh. So, I'm so excited to show you guys how I incorporate these products on my skincare routine. for the night. Ayan, actually hindi pa tapos. Meron pa akong ilalagay dyan na aking mga favorite pimple lotion and patches. Pero since we are concentrating on the Ellana Stay Fresh Moisturizer, I won't show it anymore. Ayan. So, una muna, my thoughts muna, my first impression about the Rinse Off Oil Cleanser. So far, okay naman siya. Medyo hindi lang ako talaga sanay na mag-cleansing gamit ang oil. Kasi usually, sanay po ako. I'm using my trusted cleansing water with argan oil of Garnier. Pero since I've tried this one naman, and it's rinsed off by water din. So, tinry ko kung natanggal ba niya talaga yung aking mga BB cream sa face. Kasi yun ang aking makeup kanina. Good thing is, natanggal naman niya. Kasi when I tried to double cleanse, konti lang or very minimal lang yung natira ng mga makeup residue. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya kasi magawang i-rub sa eyes dahil medyo baka mapasukan yung eyes ko ng oil. So, I'm being careful lang. So, talagang I opted to use my cleansing water with oil infused sa eyes ko na lang. Ayan. Pero, if pag-uusapan natin yung pagtanggal ng makeup sa face, natanggal naman niya. Ang next naman natin is the Ellana Stay Fresh Toner Essence. Medyo nagulat ako dito ha, kasi first time ko siyang gamitin. Tapos, when I put it sa face, it's parang natural lang na toner. Pero, nung nag-settle siya sa face at yung finish niya, it's powdery matte. Ganun siya. Super powdery ng feeling. Tapos, super lambot lang ng feeling sa face. Ganun yung effect niya sa akin for the first impression. Plus, ang sabi dito, mostly dun sa nabasa ko with Ellana, best paired itong toner essence with their Stay Fresh Moisturizer. So, partner talaga tong dalawang to. So, after putting this, actually, saglit lang eh. In a matter of seconds, wala pang 1 minute, na-absorb na agad ng skin ko yung toner essence. So, ramdam ko na natuyo na yung product sa face. So, saka na ako naglagay nitong Stay Fresh Moisturizer. Ito mga loves, marami akong masasabi talaga dito kasi I've been trying this out since March 1st. And sobrang love ko to. So, usually, I use this every day at morning after taking bath and then sa gabi before ako matulog. So, this one, it's for combination to oily skin. This is actually very hydrating. So, my face feels moisturized talaga pag ginamit ko to. Even if those days na parang sobrang init, sobrang maalinsangan, talagang usually hindi ako nagmo-moisturizer pag mainit eh. Pag morning, kasi ayoko nang malagkit. Ayoko nang parang feeling ko dumidikit yung lahat ng dumi sa face ko dito sa bahay. But, this one, iba siya, mga love. So, talagang, pag nilagay ko siya sa face, very lightweight, tapos, is easily absorbed by the skin. Tapos, yung finish niya, it's powdery matte, pero hindi ka flat na matte. Parang hydrated pa din at feel mo talaga, kita mo na moisturize talaga yung skin mo. And ang maganda dito mga loves is this is fragrance free and silicone free and nakaka-calm din siya ng redness sa face. So usually pag medyo mainit tapos medyo nagpipimple ako, medyo nagpupula-pula yan, even dito sa mga side ng nose. Pero pag naglagay ako nito, napapakalma naman niya yung redness ng aking face. And nako-control din ang oil. So I really love this one. Ito talaga yung pinaka-main focus ng ating review for today. So I would definitely say 4 out of 5 para dito. Ayan. And then, the last one is the Stay Fresh Multi-Mist. So, first time ko din siyang experience today. And I will definitely use this more para ma-review ko pa siya ng todo. But, for our main focus product for tonight's review is actually this one. And this is really, a chef's kiss for me. So, you really have to try this one, mga loves. I'll be putting the link of this product down below on the description box if you wanted to read about it or you want to see the description on Shopee. So, I'll be putting the link down below. Ayan. So, I hope that you're able to get something from this video, if in case that you are curious about the Ellana Minerals skincare line. Ayan, so hindi lang makeup ang meron sila. Meron na rin skincare si Ellana Mineral Cosmetics. Ayan, so I guess that's it for tonight, mga loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. So this has been Maris, and I'll see you